Okay, children, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. How are you today? Today we are going to have a math class and our adventure begins here. Let's see. Well, how do you feel today? Are you excited? Or maybe you are sad because you didn't saw me yesterday. Oh, angry or sick. Oh, or you're surprised. Oh, Miss Patty is here again. Or you're happy or unhappy. Or maybe you're bored. Okay, let's see. Who can tell me how do you feel today? Maybe. Okay, all of you want to talk. Very good. So you're going to tell me, all of you, how do you feel today? Okay? Now, please, what are we going to do today? Well, look. First, we are going to review the flat shapes. Then we are going to see a video and then you will work in a seesaw activity. Let's start. Flat shapes are those shapes that don't have volume. So they are like this. They don't have no. They are flat shapes. They don't have volume. So, and here we have some examples. Look at here. Look at the image we have here, and they don't have any kind of volume. Another name for these shapes is plane shapes or 2D shapes. They have three names: flat shapes, plane shapes, or 2D shapes. Now, let's see. Well, these shapes have sides and corners or vertices. Look at this example here, the triangle, the one that I am showing you. This little square point here is the corner, and this is the side. The other name that this corner receives is vertices, okay? Let's start with all of them. Look at these shapes characteristics. I am the circle. This is the pink one. I am the circle. I have no sides and I have no corners. The yellow one. I am the square. I have four equal sides and four corners or vertices. Look at this one, the triangle. I am the triangle. I have three sides and I have three corners. Let's identify them. One, two, three. And three sides. One side, two sides, three sides. I am the rectangle. Look at this one, the purple one. I have four sides and four corners or vertices. Two sides are long and two sides are short. Look. One, two, three, four. One and three are long sides, and three and two and four are short sides. I am the hexagon. I have six sides. One, two, three, four, five, and six. And six corners. One, two, three, four, five, and six. I am the diamond or rhombus, and I have four sides and four corners. One, two, three, and four. Okay, let's see. Right now, we are going to see a video, and then we are going to continue the class. Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Go! Now that you have already seen the video, we are going to guess and choose the correct shape. This shape does not belong to this definition, so you have to tell me which size or which shape corresponds to this definition. Look, I have, this question is for, for all of you. I have only one side and no vertices. And the side is round and round, only one side and no vertices. What am I? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, very good. The circle. Now, the second one. I have 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. What I am? 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Okay, kids. Wonderful answer. I am the square. Number 3. I have 6 sides and 6 vertices. What am I? What am I? 6 sides. This one? No, because this one has only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the pentagon. No. Look at the answer, the question. I have 6 sides and 6 vertices. What am I? Okay, very good. The hexagon. The next one. I have 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short, and 4 right angles. What am I? Excellent. I am the rectangle. I have 5. Now, 5 sides and 5 vertices. What am I? Excellent answer. Amazing. You're amazing. So I am the pentagon. I have 3 sides and 3 vertices. What am I? Good answer, kids. I am the triangle. Very good. Now, let's see. Shapes here, shapes there, shapes everywhere. Look, shapes are all around the world. So, for example, my computer screen, la pantalla de mi computador, is a rectangle. Like this one, like this book that I have here. But I also have here an oval. An egg is an oval. And here I have a triangle and in a pizza slide. I have a triangle. Or I can have a sandwich, and this sandwich has the square form or the square shape. And this one, my plate, the dish for my food is a round, or it is like a circle. Okay, so let's see, what are you going to do? You're going to look around your house, different shapes, as we were in the classroom. Remember that when we are in the classroom, we are looking for different shapes all around it. Okay, so you are going to do the same at home. Look for circles, look for triangles, diamonds, or squares, and rectangles, hexagons, pentagons. Okay, now let's see. Now that you have reviewed all the shapes, flat shapes or plane shapes or 2D shapes, you are going to do a seesaw in activity, an activity in seesaw, excuse me. What do you have there? You have 4 columns in that, and you have models: circle, square, triangles, and rectangles. You have to check that down the activity you have many objects, and you have to drag and move the object to the corresponding column. ¿Ok? Van a mover el dibujo a la figura correspondiente. Si ustedes llegan a tener algún problema con CISO, pues es muy sencillo. En su cuaderno ustedes van a dibujar un círculo, un cuadrado, un triángulo y un rectángulo, y junto a esos dibujos ustedes van a pegar imágenes de cositas que tengan en casa que se parezcan, que tengan la forma de un círculo, de un cuadrado, un triángulo o un rectángulo. Okay, but I hope you are going to use seesaw. Okay, is it clear? Now let's see. And then you have to click on the green check mark, and that's all. Okay, kids. Bye. See you. I love you so much. Oh, don't forget, you have to copy this one in your notebooks too. And here, you have to copy the question and the corresponding image. Okay, you take a picture and you upload this image into Seesaw. Okay, so you have two activities in Seesaw. This one that I am showing you right now, that you have to copy in your notebooks, draw and take a picture and upload in Seesaw, and the one at the end of the class. Okay, this already appears in Seesaw. Okay, see you. Bye.